Number 12 and number 22 is on. 7 seconds up. 7 seconds to shoot.
Off-campus ball. Kuyoka pass to January Avila. Really to Kuyoka. 3 points!
Stepping up the line.
2 points lang pala. Wow! Another 2 points for Kuyoka, guys! Score is 10-7. Lamang na po ang off-campus. Rebound by Kuyoka. Pass to Aldamag. 2 points. Not good. Goal! Gigi, tayo!
15 seconds to shoot. Down to 10 seconds to shoot. Jumper.
Wow, 2 points! Hey, Guaras. Score 10-9. Lamang na 1 point ang off-campus team. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa first quarter.
Down to 10 seconds to shoot.
Wow! 2 points, Shasun! Time out.
Time out. Moncayo selection.
Scores 12-9. Lamang ang off-campus team.
So score 12 against 9.
Kinabahan tayo dun, guys. Grabe mga bataan eh. Again, ang score is 12-9 lamang po ang off-campus team. Time remaining is 3 minutes and 2 seconds sa first quarter. Again, 3 minutes and 2 seconds remaining sa first quarter. Score is 12 against 9 off-campus team.
Back to the ball game for you please. 24 seconds time out.
Thank you po sa mga nag-send ng
Balls on Moncayo
stars.
selection.
We really appreciate you
Official
guys.
score 12 against 9. In favor of
Thank you po sa mga nag-share ng stars nila during our live. Ganahan na sa tanyo eh. Shoutout ta later, guys. Pwede po mo mag-comment o shoutout para mabasa na ko anytime of the game. Again, ayan, ang score is 12-9 lamang po ang off-campus. Again, time remaining is 3 minutes and 2 seconds for the first quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Moncayo ball.
$15 seconds to shoot. Down to 10. Shot clock violation. Turnover.
Shot clock violation of campus ball. Ayan, may nag-send na naman ng 10 stars. That's from Ma'am Rosetta Lendio Lastimoso. Alright, 2 points for Moncayo All-Stars. Score is 12-11. Lamang lang po ng 1 point ang off-campus.
Official timeout. Official timeout.
Hello po, hello, hello. Thank you po sa stars, ma'am.
12 against 11. One point.
Shout out to Ma'am Mary Joy Sabas. Thank you po sa stars, ma'am. Thank you po sa suporta. Okay, back to the ball game tayo, guys.
15 seconds to shoot. Nabitawan was on Moncayo selection. 1 minute and 49 seconds. 12 against 11 in favor of off-campus residents.
Steal by Koyoka. Ooh. Hinay mo, guys.
All around. Balls on off-campus. Substitution shots.
Thank you sa stars, Ma'am Eloisa Sarmiento Di Castro. Thank you po sa stars na sinend niyo po. Again, maayong gabi sa mga Bisaya. Magandang gabi po sa mga Tagalog.
15 seconds to
Good
shoot.
evening sa mga English dyan. At magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga OFW na mga nanonood po tonight. Again, we are live here sa Moncayo. Asa ba siya? Davao. Oh. Davao de Oro ba ni diri, guys? Bastes! 2 points! 2 points for Bastes. Score update, 14-11. Lamang ng 3 points ang off-campus. Again, lamang po ng 3 points ang off-campus. Wow! Ganda ng pasa, guys. Score 14-13. 1 point na lang ang hahabulin ng Asenso Moncayo. Wow! Jason, 3 points! 3 points. Jason, guys. Grabe, guys. Bumabawi si Gerald.
15 seconds to shoot.
Traveling violation.
Traveling violation substitution. Out number 24 name, number 28 Tama. Substitution. Out number 1 name, number 16 Matao. 24 seconds.
Score 17-13. Lamang po ng 4 points ang off-campus.
Number
16 seconds remaining sa first quarter. Tavita to Damag.
Now to 10.
7 seconds remaining.
Now to
5,
5.
4, 3, 2, 1! 1.6. Grabe, guys. That's from Al Damag. 2 points. And 1 pa.
1.6 seconds.
Ah. Okay, may...
Last one is with by number 28. Time for the first quarter. We shall score 19 against 13 in favor of campus residents.
Wow, ayan. Let's read.
First leader by number 32, Las Conde. Watch out for the lessons line progress rebound by Mr. Las Conde.
Alright, first throw is
20 against
good.
13 in favor of campus. Seconds to shoot. Down to 10 seconds to shoot. Jumper. And 3 points. Number 3, Mr. Zero.
Score 20 against 16. Lamang po ng 4 points ang off-campus.
Foul to 5. Foul. 97, blocking foul, substitution out. Out number 21, Vasquez. First personal foul, 17 foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Foul. Foul number 22. Blocking foul. First personal foul. First team foul in the second quarter. CSR. First big register deal. Yes. Watch out for the last final bonus round. Register deal. 20 against 17. Favor of off campus. 8 minutes and 42 seconds for the second quarter. 100% free throw shooting by Mr. Deal. Seconds to shoot. Now 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 16, pushing foul. Substitution. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 14 seconds shot. Foul number 17. Release of hands. Outside. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. And seconds to shoot. Give me the goal. 2 points. Number 22. Let's go. Points of the Oregon taking in favor of campus. 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Second quarter. And goal. Also on off campus. In favor of on campus, 7 minutes and 42 seconds on the second quarter. Nice pass! Yes! 2 points to the team. Lydia Abril. Ventana Casa. Yes! The Maris Mr. Wood. 2 points. Mr. Deal. Plays there against 20 in favor of campus.
Score 24-20, lamang ng 4 points ang off campus. Rebound by Aldamag. Trying to shoot the ball but not good. Rebound ng Moncayo. And 1. Score 24-22.
Substitution, second personal foul, 17 foul. Bonus free throw by Mr. Deal. Nice minutos, 48 segundos de la segunda bola. Campus. Jumper. Rebound. 2 points on the time. sa linya, 2 points. Mayoka. 2 points ito. Step in. 15 seconds to shoot. Last ball, Mr. Bill, 2 points. Dalawa na ito. 26-24. Of campus. Foul number 28. August, walang contact to the arm. 2 shots, second personal foul. 13 foul substitution. Quick look on the studio, first free throw. Yes. Last service rebound by Mr. Gill. Seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul number 10.
Score 26-25. Lamang po na 1 point ang off-campus. Substitution. Pudong is in. Pudong is wearing jersey number 2 dedicated for Rene Batorboño. Fly high, Mr. MVP. Yan yung suot na jersey ni Pudong.
Yes. Seconds to shoot. Nice pass. Pasa. 2 points. Mr. Gill. 2 points. Mr. Gill. 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Mga po, offensive foul. Number 7, pocket foul. Substitution. First personal foul. Substitution. 28 against 29 in favor of Hokkaido selection. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Second quarter. Jumper. Ten seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, balls on the Kaiser. 4 minutes and 18 seconds. 28 against 29. In favor of the Kaiser selection. 15 seconds to shoot. Jumper. There you go. Balls on the Kaiser selection. Same ball. 14 seconds. Shot clock.
Siguro. Sa musigo.
Seconds to shoot.
Ay.
Foul up. Number 19, pushing foul. So that English 7% foul. Penalty situation. Both team are in a penalty situation. Substitution. Now number 17 and number 17. Both team are in a penalty situation. First bring away number 6. Masiva. Last one is about by number 6.
29 all na score.
Masiva.
Alright, score is 30-29. Lamang ng 1 point lang ang off campus. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa second quarter.
9 seconds to shoot. Nice run off by Mr. Dio.
Score 30-31. Lamang ng 1 point ang Asenso Mukayo.
15 seconds to shoot.
Aldama for 3, not good. Foul.
Sumaben. 22. Contact to the second. Penalty situation, substitution. Now number 6. Team number 22, last one. First free throw by number 61, Juanco. Juanco. No good. Last one, missed rebound by Mr. Bianco. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Score is 32-31. Balik sa ang lamang ng off campus.
9 seconds to shoot. Out the right. Jumper. Seconds to shoot. Jumper. Seconds to play.
Seconds to play for the second quarter. Score is 32-31. Lamang ng 1 point ang off campus. Rebound by Shason. Pass to Koyoka. 37 seconds remaining.
15 seconds to shoot.
Koyoka to Las Cunha.
Now to 10.
Las Cunha 2 points. Score is 34-31. 19 seconds remaining sa second quarter.
15 seconds.
10 seconds.
Down to 5.
Traveling.
Violation. 2.7 seconds. Time out. Off campus.
Time out.
Official score 34 against 31 in favor of off campus. Walking for the third quarter.
Alright, third quarter. Go Padong!
Also off campus.
Third quarter.
Number 12. Holding foul. First personal foul. First team foul for the third quarter. Third quarter, it's third quarter.
Okay, third quarter na po ito.
Releasing 42 seconds for the third quarter. Jumper.
3 points!
Mr. Nelson.
34 all. Score is 34 all. Bama Maneo. Traveling.
Traveling violation.
Traveling
Substitution.
violation.
Out number 10. Lead number 2 plus strong. 31 against 21. By score. Jumper. Ten seconds to shoot. Jumper. Jumper. Short.
Las Cunha. Shoot! Wala pa kinashoot guys. So rebound sa Asenso Moncayo. Trying for 3 points. Alright. 3 points. Jersey number 27. That's lamang nag 3 points ang Asenso Moncayo. Pasa to Aldamag for 2 not good.
Foul number 1. Pushing foul. Third personal foul. First team foul. Bonus foul by number 28, Mr. Daman. First team foul. Yes. Watch out for the last final goal, Mr. Daman by Mr. Daman, number 28. 35 against 27. Favor of Moncayo selection. Yes, 100% free throw shooting by Mr. Daman, number 20. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Down to 10 seconds to shoot. Jumper. Seconds to shoot. Other counts. Same ball. Substitution. Out number 1. In the ring on the second in half. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Trafficking violation. Ball on the high selection. 7 minutes and 24 seconds. 26 against 27. So the high selection. 15 seconds to shoot. Tanda ng pasa. Yes, 2 points. Who's the boss? Foul. Foul number 5. Pushing foul. Patuloy. First personal foul. Substitution. 17 foul. Substitution. Sub. Out number 32, lead number 25, out number 2, lead number 21. Big section. Seconds to shoot. Foul to 5. Jumper. Pass it count. Pass it count. Foul number 7. Pushing foul. Catalina. 7th personal foul. 3rd team foul. Watch out for the last and final goal for number 21, Mr.
Alright, score update 38-39. Lamang ng 1 point ang Moncayo.
Bonus throw.
At dahil may bonus draw, sino ba yan? Bastes. Rebound by Coyoca to Aldama, guys.
10 seconds to shoot. Down to 5. Substitution.
6 minutes and 33 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Again, ang score is 38-39. Lamang ng 1 point ang Asenso
Out
Moncayo.
number 18, in number 24, Arnaldo.
Out Coyoca in Arnado.
Balls on high selection. 6 minutes and 27 seconds.
Grabe defense,
38
guys.
against 29. Moncayo selection.
Ang ganda ng laban ko. Ang dikit lang ng
Jumper.
score. Wow, ha? Another 3 points from Mr. Lausa. Oh, sure dia. Mama, loy kay si ma'am. Foul. Score is 38-42 lamang po ang Moncayo selection.
Pushing foul. Substitution.
5 minutes and 59 seconds remaining sa third quarter.
First personal foul. 17 foul. Short. Aldama's one on off campus. 38 against 42 in favor of Moncayo selection. 5 minutes and 47 seconds for the third quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Jumper. Yeah!
3 points from Aldamag. Score is 41-42. 1 point na lang kada mga Namungkayo selections.
Last 2 rounds. Number 7.
Lamang na po, 1 point ang off-campus. Grabe defense, guys.
15 seconds to shoot.
Game is so good, so close.
Foul to 10. Foul.
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 Escunya.
Foul number 22. Holding foul. Lascomia, first personal foul. 32 foul. Time out. Moncayo selection.
Timeout Moncayo selection. Score is 43-42. Lamang 1 point ang off-campus.
Against 42 in favor of off-campus residents. Selection. Within 7 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Down to 5. Jumper.
Alright, score update 43-46. Lamang na po ng 3 points ang Moncayo selection. Offensive foul.
Number 7. Lucky foul. Offensive foul. Substitution. Running the penalty off campus.
Nako.
Seconds to shoot. Foul. Scholar. 18.
Penalty na ang off-campus.
First personal foul.
Penalty na po ang
Penalty
off-campus.
situation. Substitution. Substitution. First people by the circle.
Grabe siya makasyagit ba? Grabe makasyagit.
Yes. On top of the last and final goal, Mr. Brown by Mr. Deal.
Working, bro. Bye. Late na lang. Ingat.
100% hoop was shooting by Mr. Deal.
Score 43-48. 5 points na po ang hahabuli ng off-campus team.
15 seconds to shoot.
Nice game po. Very close fight.
Now to 10.
Foul.
Foul.
Kapit mo daw.
Number 10.
Kaya na niya ba?
Contact to the arm.
Madlook lang gid siya.
First personal foul. Okada. Warning. First free throw by
Munti
Mr.
ka nang mag-dunk si Shason. Tulog!
Last one, Mr. Brown.
Three minutes and 20 seconds remaining sa third quarter.
Shooting by Mr. Yes,
1 point lang. 44-48, 4 points. Lead ang Moncayo selections. Selection.
Jumper. Foul. Foul on number 10. Holding foul. 7 personal foul. Penalty situation.
Both in penalty situation, guys.
Penalty situation.
Both team penalty na
And
po.
both team are in the penalty situation. First free throw by Koyoka, number 18. Yes. Masyado po kaya sa final throw ni Subang by Mr.
1 point is good.
Substitution, sub. Out number 28 in Bus.
From 5 points, 2 points na lang po ang hahabulin ng off-campus team.
46 against 48. Montayo selection. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Amaneo! Steal na nga lang. Na-short sa pasa.
15 seconds to shoot.
Set! Rebound! Amaneo to Koyoka, to Amaneo. Naghahanap na mapapasahan si Bam,
15 seconds
Amaneo.
to shoot. Yes, shoot.
Nice one, Jason! 48 all. Score is 48 all na, guys.
Mr. Siason.
Score is 48 all again. 2 minutes and 6 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Hapit na po. Hapit na po. Hapit na po, guys. Mabali ato ang tripod.
2 minutes and 2 seconds. Tablakong score, 48 all.
Again, score is 48 all. Off campus ball.
45 seconds.
Oh,
Foul.
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 Foul na foul.
Foul number 3. Holding foul. First personal foul. Penalty situation. Again,
Ayun.
both teams.
Ayaw, tawa. Nagkadwa na
are in
ni.
the penalty situation. First free throw by Koyoka.
Okay, first draw is good. Made by Koyoka.
1 minute and 48 seconds.
49-48. Isang throw for Koyoka. So good! 50-48. 2 points na naman ang lamang ng off-campus, guys.
1 minute and 48 seconds.
Pudong isin.
Lamang po ang
Wait lang.
dalawang puntos sa off-campus.
Matok naman sa tani magpa...
Five seconds to shoot. Jumper. Foul.
Natamaan pa ang mukha ni Shason, guys.
Is now 97.
Natamaan pa ang mukha ni Shason.
7 years old now. And 14 under the penalty situation. Substitution. Now, kasi ko, Lausiani, number 52 Landa. First free throw by Mr.
Grabe
Giason.
score ba? Nana lang, bali-bali lang. Flash!
Yes. That's what the lesson from
Left flash.
this rebound by Mr. Giason.
Flash rep!
Out number 10, Maneo. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 52.
Okay na, mga flash.
Paliwan kayo ang mga mag-flash sa camera. Ayaw ito ang kay apikuhan ang pagkatem sa shot sa ating mga player. Ayaw kami i-flash. One man, ayag man. Again, ano po do? Sasok!
Wow!
Ating mga house sabi ni Mr. Sasok. 1 minute and 7.
Score 52-48, lamang off campus.
10 seconds to shoot.
Drop it down! Two points from Bayan Ban. Score is 54-48. 3 points. Score mo kayo selection. Score 54-51. Flash! Flash ni Mote!
10 seconds. 5.
Nice one, nice! Wow! Time for the third quarter. Yes, score is 56-51. Lamang og 5 points ang off campus, guys. Again, lamang ng 5 points ang off campus for the third quarter. Kumaka-shout ang
And
fans.
that's who walking. It's the final countdown.
Alright! Wait lang, wait lang. Okay, fourth and last quarter. I-dedicate lang po ni Bayan Ban para sa iyang brother na si Rene Baterbonia, ang jersey number 2.
Last 2 balls. Here's the number.
Kaya nagsisilbi na din po itong tribute game para kay Rene Baterbonia. Kita. Last one, 2 points.
5 minutes and 16 seconds.
Score 58-53. 5 points gyapon ang lamang ng off campus. Manawid ko kasabot, guys. Luwag na kayo ang camera. Very intense game. Malingaw kong tanaw. Ay! Shucks.
15 seconds to shoot.
Foul, foul, foul. Ay, stepping on the line.
Out of bounds, balls on the foul selection.
Suko kasi anti sa taas.
Substitution. Out.
Low back.
Number 20 from number 30 was Kong.
Wow!
Substitution. Out.
Pahuman na in town mi. Ano ang live, guys. Low bat na ta.
Player up. Up blue. Blue back.
Rebound, Velasconia, inaras! Uy, foul pa.
Foul. Number 13. No contact to the arm. This personal foul. Here's Steve Foul for the Dallas Cowboys quarter.
8 minutes and 39 seconds remaining sa fourth quarter. Score 58-53. Lamang og 5 points ang off-campus.
Final four by Mr. Yolanda. Yes. Substitution. Album Peterson and the substitution of Drugs. Nice one of it. Smallwood, power number 7, Padania. Third personal foul. First team foul. First free throw by Mr. Lasconia. 8 minutes and 26 seconds for the fourth quarter. First free throw. Yes. 59 against 54 in favor of off-campus. Watch out for the last foul.
Grabe ang
Mr. Lasconia.
syagit sa mga fans ni Pudong sa likod, guys. Murag wa na ugma. Kuyawan ta kung napabay voice tomorrow. Grabe ba sakay? Sakay naman eh. Oh. iPhone. Lightning. Katong gamay. O, type C, manong. Bilang.
Foul. Holding foul. First personal foul. 17 foul. 8 minutes and 27 seconds. 47 seconds.
Pero makipadali din. Wala na ni.
Jumper. 3 points. 7:52. Mr. Yolanda. Stepping on the line. Ball foul in the foul section.
Wait lang guys, kininaog na akong tripod.
Turnover. Substitution. Out number 21. In number 10.
Iwi ba?
Amandine.
Wait lang, iwi.
Offensive foul. Moving spin. And then now small. This is foul. Riley will take a foul.
Nakailan ako power bank guys.
Third personal foul.
Pero mag-struggle ta kay mubok kaayo.
17 foul.
Nag-feel na ko iwi. Wait lang guys
7 minutes and 56 seconds. Jumper.
Score 59-57. Again, ang score is 59-57. Tapos kunya guys, non-stop! Non-stop si Las Cunha guys. Dire-diretso. All good. 2 points for Las Cunha. Score 61-57. Off
15
campus.
seconds to shoot. Down to 10. Offensive foul. Number 7. Offensive foul. Catalina. 1 for foul round.
Nauhi tayo guys
Foul.
Grabe, makasabit eh.
Foul on number
foul.
Iguaras pushing foul.
Foul daw.
Substitution. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First
Wala.
foul by Mr.
Ilang
Lasconi.
shout out to Tirada Dolwa. Lagi. Thank you sa papayram og power bank. Okay lang. Okay lang. Oo. Thank you.
In number 8, official. First free throw by Mr. Lasconi.
7 minutes and 2 seconds remaining sa fourth quarter. Abante sa isa, score 62-57.
7 minutes and 2 seconds. 62-57. Further on off campus. Yes.
Wow! 63-57. O, patapin ta guys, kay Basi Ugma. Naigo na po sa diri.
55.
Nice D! Defense by Ba Mananeo. Wala ko pa yun sa quarter.
10 seconds to shoot. Two fouls, Mr. Larson.
Score 63-59. Tama. 63-59 lamang ang off campus.
16 off campus.
Campus ang lamang guys. Uy, sorry dude. Sa mana eh?
10 seconds to shoot.
Another 2 points made by Las Conya guys. Score 65-59.
Foul. Good time. Pushing foul. Amaneo. Second personal foul. For the team foul for the less than final quarter. 14 seconds to shoot. Jumper. Surrounded. Foul number
13.
13.
13.
Pushing foul.
Foul made by jersey number 13.
Second personal foul.
Meron pong 3.
One penalty. Substitution.
Bonus throw.
Out
Si
of official.
jersey number 52. Wait lang guys. Feel na ko hiwi ako.
First free throw by Mr. Orlando. Yes. Second free throw by Mr. Orlando. Watch out for the last one. Mr. Orlando. Yes. 80% free throw shooting.
Alright. Score is 65.
5 minutes and
61.
51 65 minutes, 61.
4 points na lang ang lamang ng off-campus. We only have 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa fourth and last quarter. Oh.
5 minutes and 29. Landa.
Atay!
Same balls on off campus. 5 minutes and 29 seconds.
5 minutes and 29 seconds remaining sa fourth and last quarter. Score is 65-61. 4 points na lang po ang lamang ng off-campus. Was!
10 seconds to shoot. Jumper.
Shoutout sa itong mga titas na nananaw dira. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Wow! Another 3 points! Score 65-61. score, 1 point na lang ang lamang ng off-campus. 4 minutes and 47 seconds sa fourth and last quarter.
4 minutes and 43 seconds. Last and final quarter.
Dagan bomb! Foul.
32. Only foul.
That's bomb mamanayo, guys.
Second personal foul.
Amo ang Rice
Penalty situation.
22.0. Paspas kay Madagan.
Off campus. Penalty na po kayo.
Foul kay penalty na ang off-campus.
First free throw by Yolanda.
Score 65-64. Lamang og 1 point ang off-campus. Plus, dungagan isa 65 all.
Kapila na po ang score. 65 all. Ang laban.
Grabe hiyawan ng mga tao nasa likod namin, guys. Grabe si Ate Girl. Ayan, nakuha ni Shaso ng bola. Inasa kay Magic Podong.
1 seconds violation.
8 seconds violation po. Si Aaron Bayanban. Ay again, score 65 all. Bola ng Moncayo selection. 4 minutes and 13 seconds. 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining sa fourth and last quarter. Kulbaan ng tanan. Fourth and last quarter na po ito. We only have 4 minutes and 13 seconds.
14 seconds sa
Bola po ng Moncayo selection. Selection.
5 seconds to shoot.
Shoutout sa mga taga Hong Kong. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Shoutout!
Foul. Foul number 17.
Ayay. 4 minutes na lang.
Second
4 minutes remaining
14.
for the fourth and last quarter. Wait na kayo, shoutout guys.
14 again.
Hello to Ma'am Christy watching from Hong Kong. Maayong gabi sa inyo tanan dira, ma'am. Wow! First throw ni Shason is good. One free throw na lang. Alright. Lamang na po ng 2 points ang off-campus.
Seconds to shoot. Now to 10, jumper.
Wala siya. Lamang ng 1 point ang Moncayo selection. 3 minutes and 30 seconds na lang po remaining ng fourth and last quarter. Inaras na si Magic Podong. Naghahanap na mapapasa. Sorry guys, Oh no, natapilo. Oh no.
8 seconds.
Ah, ano ba to?
Substitution.
Shucks. Natapilok si Kuyoka.
Chop.
Ah, ay nakatama kong tiin. Oh my God. Injury, medic. Injury, guys. Sorry guys, napasigaw po ako kanina. Injury po isang player natin guys. Dora.
10 seconds up.
1 point na lang ang kalamangan naman kayo selection. Las Conyas,
5
Kilimin.
seconds to shoot.
Mali ang nakasahan.
Last 2 balls. Restart the score.
Plus 2 points na po. Plus 2 points para sa Moncayo selection. Score 67-70. Lamang ng 3 points. Sa manyato ang tripod nagsina at hindi magnaog. Bastes! 2 points for Bastes. Score 69-70. 1 point na lang. Oy! Wow, pag-yun ni sulod. Guys, 2 minutes and 28 seconds na lang. Sa fourth and last quarter, foul pag yun. Sorry. Guys, napaka-intense na po ng game. Papasigaw na po tayong lahat. 1 point. 1 point ang lamang na Moncayo selection. 2 minutes and 28 seconds.
Mr. Kuho.
Koyoka po, Koyoka. Na I think natapilok.
Time out.
Alright. Lamang ng
Official score.
2 points. 2 points ang lamang na Moncayo selection.
Official time 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
I think natapilok po si Koyoka. Nagunaog akong tripod, boy. Again, score 69-71 lamang og 2 points ang Moncayo selection. I need to
69 and 71. Favor of
Kaya
Moncayo
ba ako
selection.
makauwi? Ala, lobat na taga! Wait lang.
15 seconds to shoot. Time to 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes for the fourth quarter.
2 points sa lamang na Moncayo selection, guys. Less than 2 minutes na lang time. Rebound, may Sason. Naharas! Grabe siya.
Here we go. Goes on off campus. 1 minute and 43 seconds. 69 against 71.
Hindi lang mag-charge.
Ganda mo ng laban.
Hindi lang, less than 2 minutes na lang po ang time.
Ayaw magkatalo ng dalawang kulan.
2 points lang lamang ng Moncayo, guys, ha. Makalamang pa ba ang off-campus? Or madaog na ang Moncayo?
15 seconds to shoot.
Offensive!
Foul number 22. Saison.
Offensive foul made by Shason. Warning for fouled out na po si jersey number 22. Good ba? 1 minute and 30 seconds for the fourth and last quarter. Score 69-71. So, panawag ako anak, guys.
10 seconds to shoot.
Yes!
Time out, time out. Time out.
4 points na po
Of campus.
ang lamang ng
1 minute and 18 seconds. 69 against 73. In favor of Moncayo selection.
lamang ang Moncayo selection. Score 69-73. Bola ng off-campus. Both in penalty na po. Both teams penalty. 4 points ang lamang ng Moncayo. Shason is giving.
Next 2 points.
2 points made by Shason. Warning for fouled out na si Shason, guys, ha. 2 points na lang ang kalamangan ng Moncayo selection.
Time out. Moncayo selection. 1 minute and 13 seconds. 71 against 73.
Ating new off-campus team. One minute and 13 seconds remaining sa fourth and last quarter. 2 points lamang ang Moncayo selection. Good.
15 seconds to shoot. Jumper.
Rebound mo, Shason. Okay. And one. Balik sa 4 points.
Foul number 32.
Balik sa 4 points po ang lamang ng Moncayo selection. 50 seconds remaining sa fourth and last quarter. Nindot kendula, guys. Makasagit dito ka.
.57, 71 against 75.
Nangapagaw na ba ang tanan?
Selection. 1 point lead. Watch out for the last and final throw by Mr. Lanya.
4 points po ang lamang. Oh.
Time out, time out.
5 points lead.
Off campus.
5 points lead ang Moncayo. 50 seconds.
One, sana lang, coach. ₱71 against 76. Unang puntos na malaman ng Moncayo selection. 50 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot.
50 seconds of campus ball.
Foul.
Okay, foul.
.32. For running for foul out. Penalty situation. Off campus, no more timeout. There's dito ang salam. Wala. Watch out for the last foul from Mr. Gama, Mr. Wanda. Last 38 seconds. 71 against 77.
38 seconds remaining. Ha.
Basket count, foul number 3.
And one.
Use of hands,
And one.
second personal foul.
4
Penalty
points.
situation.
4 points na lang. Score 73-77. Las Coño! Three points na lang! Defense! Papasigaw lahat ng defense! All yun.
Foul.
Ah.
32.
74-77, 3 points.
Lasconia, foul out.
Ayay. Fouled out.
Automatic sub. Foul out.
Fouled out na si Las Coña, guys. 22 seconds remaining sa fourth quarter.
Free throw by Miss Yolanda.
Kasi puli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
First free by Miss Yolanda.
Tubat na?
At sa pagkakalasang kanya po,
Okay lang.
sa mga
Mau man na
Yolanda.
mag-put. Okay lang, thank you.
Kaya pa ba?
Oh! Laban na. Sige na.
Wala ko.
Wire. Sige lang.
Ay!
16 seconds remaining sa fourth quarter. 74-78. Lamang po ang Moncayo selection.
First personal foul. Penalty situation. First free throw by Miss Yolanda. Seconds, 10, 9. Five point five seconds. 5.5 seconds na lang. 76-80 ang score. Ang ganda ng game po. Napaka-intense. Foul.
Napapasigaw ang lahat.
22. Over the foul. Foul out.
Shason.
Number 22 foul out. Siason, automatic sub. Foul out.
Ipangangak ang mga players ay. Ipangangak ang tanan.
First free throw by Miss Dasuk.
Ang ganda ng game po.
Sa pagkakala sa pangko, Miss Yolanda, Miss Dasuk. Chris Evans.
Congratulations, Moncayo selection. Congratulations, both teams. It was a very nice game. Thank you po. Good night sa lahat. See you sa next live. Bye.